put this into context for you. This is the little 2-pin one that I use to open up this motherfucker. But if I do that, let go, motherfucker's open immediately. I'll do it again so you can actually see it. Open immediately. Use the other ones, like these. It's too aggressive, nothing fucking fits. Hey, baby. And then I'll use the zipping method, where you fucking just shove it in there. Nothing. Okay, that time it worked, but I've not been able to get this one to work until just now. But, you know, it was zipping. But yeah, it's just for context, so it pissed me off whenever it started working.